Hello, Joe. I'm Shauna.
Hello, I'm Joe.
I'm Dara.
Today is going to be a good day. We're going pulling potatoes, and then we're going to sell them.
Aw, I love potatoes. I eat lots of potatoes.
Let's love sign. Potato. Potato. You sign. Potato. Good. Potato.
Aw, this is so exciting. I can't wait to eat this potato.
Stop! We need to cook the potatoes before we eat them.
Oh, I knew that.
Before we touch anything, we need to put on our gardening gloves.
Oh, my first delivery. Wait here. Gloves!
Stop! They're children's gloves.
Oh. Wait here. They fit like a glove.
Careful.
Are you okay, Joe?
Now we can catch fish.
Let's love sign. Catch. Catch. You sign. Catch. Good. Catch.
Now we can catch fish. No. Why?
We want to make a video.
My third delivery. A camera. Wait here. Oh. Yes. Ah, let's go. I'm gonna make the video. Ah, I caught a fish! Ooh.
What about you, Finny?
Hey!
Finny caught a fish!
Well done, Finian.
When we got back, we let the fish return home to the river.
Claire, what do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket.
Let's love sign. Sand. Sand. You sign. Sand. Good. Sand.
No, Joe. You put sand in the bucket with a spade.
Oh, wait here. Oh. Here, a spade.
Joe.
No, Joe. You're fit.
Too big?
Yeah.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Now we're going to make a sand castle.
Hands up. Hands up. I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah.
I couldn't.
Oh, I forgot. What was on the list? Grass for the cows, food for the sheep, and a bed for the pigs. Let's go find the cows.
Let's love sign. Cow. Cow. You sign. Cow. Good. Cow.
Yes, you're a lovely cow, and I have a delivery for you. Some grass. You want more? Wait here.
Ozzy, we need more grass. This is perfect, Ozzy. I'll get the cows. More grass. Happy cows.
Hello, Piggy.
Let's love sign. Pig. Pig. You sign. Pig. Good. Pig.
My next delivery is for you. What do you mean, no? It's a new bed. It's very comfortable. I'll show you. See?
Is Joe asleep?
I know what to do.
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. You did the magic!
Good job. Good job, Joey.
This is a much better bed. Well, here we are, between two trees. Now, where is the clue? Oh, there it is. Don't worry, I'll get it.
Hey.
Too high. Wait here. It says the clue is behind the rock.
Let's love sign. Behind. Behind. You sign. Behind. Good. Behind.
Where could the clue be? It's an X. That's the clue. We need to find an X. It's an X. Here is our treasure. A picnic.
Hello, Joe.
Hi, Aisling.
Did you find the picnic I made for you?
You made this?
Yes. You've been working very hard, and you deserve a nice picnic.
Thank you.